Hello, my name is Onam, and today we are going to be making empanada. The ingredients you will need are 3 cups of flour, 1 1/2 sticks of butter, 1/4 to 1/2 cups of milk or water, but I prefer milk, 1 egg, and 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoons of salt. So now I finished making the dough and I have the applesauce and stuff. So clear the table. Now I'm going to take some flour. Sprinkle it everywhere. Oh, don't forget to wash your hands. That's an important thing too. So we finished flattening and cutting our dough. Now we are going to take these empanada maker thingy, squasher thingies, and I'm going to put them in the middle here. Oh wait, let's use this circle one. Here we go, this is good. So put it in the middle here. Since these are small ones, I'm only going to put 1 apple in here because they're very small. Some juice. Well, sauce. And squeeze it. So once you put it in the refrigerator, you have to chill it or refrigerate it or something for 30 minutes. And once that's done, you can let it cool or something. I let it cool. And then you can set your oven at 375 and put it in. So I finished the turnovers and they are like okay. Come on. They're sweet, a little, but you can definitely taste the apple. So they are very good and I really like them. So please share this recipe with your friends and with your family, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you.